What do you know about the multiverse?
Viz had his theories.
What's up guys, Tekshan here back with another video. An amazing feature pack smart TV from an amazing brand. That's what this video is all about. Shall we start? Boom! Meet the all new Sony Bravia X75K 55-inch Google powered smart TV. What I have here is the new 2022 model. Let's unbox and check out what this has to offer. Cut open and the first thing that you get to see is two stands with screws. Then a power cord, remote with batteries, a manual, and finally the TV. Alright, fixing the stand is pretty easy with the screws in the box. But you also get free installation and setup. So after buying, if you can resist the temptation and wait till they arrive, then good for you. Or nobody's going to stop you. Go ahead and fix it like this. Alright guys, here is the Sony Bravia X75K 55-inch Google powered smart TV. Alright, now let's take a 360 view of the TV and then talk features. To the front, you have the massive 55-inch 4K LED display with thin bezels. You also get this TV in a 43, 50 and 65-inch model. Design, even though nothing new, is solid. A combination of plastic and metal. Front bottom, you have the Sony branding with an LED light and an on-off switch below it. Bottom is where you have the speakers on both sides. It's a 10 watt plus 10 watt speaker that you're getting here with Dolby Audio. To the back, you have the connectivity ports. Two USB ports with FAT32 and NTFS format support. Then 3 HDMI ports, has ARC support as well. Then a 3.5mm headphone slot, a traditional antenna slot. Then here an AV port so that you can use an adapter to connect old devices. Then a LAN port for wired internet. It does have inbuilt dual band Wi-Fi support, so you can connect this TV wirelessly to the internet as well. Then a digital optic port to connect home theater and stuff. And finally to this side, you have the power cable connector. The moment you turn on the TV, you have to complete the setup process by connecting it to your internet, be it home Wi-Fi or even your mobile hotspot or wide Ethernet. Once setup is done, you are all set to enjoy the TV. So as said at the start of this video, this is powered by Google TV. And what you're seeing here is the default home screen, kinda like the dashboard. Runs on version 11. On the hardware, this TV comes with Sony's X1 processor with 2 gigs of RAM and 10 gigs of free-to-use storage for your apps. The advantage of having a Google TV OS is that you get access to 7,000 plus apps from the Google App Store officially. All popular streaming apps are supported. By default, you have Netflix, Amazon Prime, YouTube, ZEE5 and a few others installed. The home screen gives you suggestions and related content from each of the apps installed, which is pretty cool. But hey, not just that. If you're signed in on your mobile and TV using the same Gmail account, you can add shows, movies and more to your watch list on your mobile and they appear automatically on the TV library so that you can enjoy content on the large screen. Awesome, right? Overall, UI is pretty damn smooth and is super easy to understand. Alright, now let me go ahead and answer some common questions that you guys will have as a consumer if you're considering this TV in my exclusive FAQ style.
Shan, can I ask those questions?
You!
Pretty please.
Alright.
First question, how is the display quality?
Well, what you're getting here is a 4K LED panel driven by Sony's X1 chip, 4K X Reality Pro Clarity Enhancer, and Motion Flow XR technology. What this all means is you don't have to worry about playing non-4K content on this TV, as the upscaling is just wow. The X1 chip does a good job. Even though many low-price 4K TVs does upscaling, this is on a different league. That's what sets it apart. Has HDR10 support as well for HDR content. Here I'm playing a 720p file and you can see how it's upscaled to this large 4K screen. Amazing, right? And boom, here you go, a normal DTH TV channel from Tata Play. Both HD and normal. You can see the difference. Overall, what more can I say? I personally love the picture and color reproduction of this screen. It is a delight to enjoy content on this.
Second question. How's the remote?
It is pretty awesome. It is a voice controlled remote, meaning you can speak and open apps, search videos and more. It's pretty straightforward and easy to understand. How's the weather today?
Right now in Chennai it's 27 degrees with fog. Friday, there will be thunderstorms with a high of 33 and a low of 27. Due to the current
Play Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness trailer. You also get dedicated buttons for YouTube, Netflix, YouTube Music and Amazon Prime. It is a pretty big but sleek remote, I must say. But wait, apart from the remote, you can also control this TV via your smartphone through the Google Home app. Awesome, isn't it? Aha, not just that. Apart from Google Assistant, it also has inbuilt Alexa support. So pair it with Alexa and you can control the TV via Alexa. Check this. Alexa, launch YouTube on Sony TV.
Getting YouTube from Sony's TV.
How cool can it get? Alexa, increase volume to 50 on Sony TV.
Okay.
Third question. Can it play 4K or full HD video files from pen drive or hard disk? If so, what formats are supported?
Yes, it supports 4K playback up to 60 FPS. You can see here I'm playing a 4K content from my 1TB hard disk connected directly to the TV. Supports most of the common high resolution formats. And as said, you won't have any issues in playing full HD files as well. The upscaling is just awesome.
Fourth question. What's the max resolution you can stream on YouTube, Netflix and other popular streaming apps?
You can stream max 4K HDR 60 FPS on YouTube with no issues. And if you have a 4K subscription with Netflix, then yes, as this is a Netflix supported TV, you can stream the highest resolution. Amazon Prime, Hotstar, Sun Next, Woot, Apple TV Plus, almost all popular streaming apps are supported to the highest resolution based on your subscription.
Fifth question. How is the inbuilt speaker quality?
Well, as said, this TV comes with two 10-watt speakers, totally 20 watts, open baffle down-firing speakers with Dolby Audio. Audio is loud, crisp and clear. Don't expect punchy bass on this, as I find it to be more focused on clarity. Here is a sample.
It's a new day. It's a Sunday.
Sixth question. Can I use this TV without internet?
Well, why not? Technically you can, just to play files from your pen drive or hard disk or connect your TV setup box. However, what's the use of a smart TV without internet? World is moving towards OTT. So if you're considering a smart TV, I assume you must be having an internet connection at home.
Seventh question. Can I cast or mirror my phone to this TV?
Yes, this supports both Android and iOS AirPlay. Yep, that's right. Smartphone mirroring? Oh yeah. And since it has inbuilt Chromecast, yep, you can cast from your smartphone to the TV.
Eighth question. Can I connect Bluetooth devices?
Oh yeah, Bluetooth speakers, soundbar, headphones, game controllers, whatever. You can pair it with this TV.
Ninth question. Can we game on this?
Well, yes, I did pair my Bluetooth game controller and tried a few games like Asphalt 9, Dead Trigger 2, and it was a cool experience. So yes, you can game on this directly with the games from the App Store, or even connect your game console like an Xbox or PlayStation, and the gaming experience was a delight.
10th question. Do we need a stabilizer?
Well, this TV comes with Sony's improved X Protection Pro technology, meaning your TV is safeguarded from lightning strikes, power surges, dust and humidity. So, a stabilizer won't be needed. Still, if you feel power fluctuations are way too much in your area, doesn't bite much to add a stabilizer, isn't it?
11th question. Can you tell us a price and warranty info?
Well, the 55-inch model costs around Rs 76,990 and the 43-inch model costs around Rs 55,990. On the warranty, you get the usual 1 year with free installation.
Final question. Is there something you crib about this TV?
Well, frankly speaking, feature-wise, I'm happy. Still, if I have to say, the design is somewhat boring is what I feel. I personally like center stand TVs and I wish Sony could have done something nice with the stand to make it more unique and appealing. Next is the pricing. Could have been a bit more competitive. Given how in recent times the market is flooded with tons of brands offering smart TVs. Some might compare Sony with some budget offerings from XYZ brands. Guys, come on. Sony is a pioneer in the segment. A lot of things matter, starting from the brand value, panel quality, after-sales service, and most important, content upscaling, which Sony does best. Because not every time do we play or stream 4K content, right? So when playing a Full HD or less resolution content, it has to be perfect on the large screen. That's what sets this TV apart. Trust me, I can say that after owning and testing few similar spec models from various brands. Anyways, this is for those who are specific on brand value, good after sale service, and want a feature packed TV and don't mind the extra price. Then yes, you can definitely check this out. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys found it informative. If you did, like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys soon in another exciting video. Until then.